Hi guys. Say hi.
Hi.
Welcome back to the channel.
Anyways, I'm gonna do it. Okay, so basically today what we're gonna do is we have to eat this whole plate of sour stuff, or what we can, and at the end we're gonna eat warheads. Now we have to eat the whole warhead. If we get to, then we get to eat everything on this plate, which is like cookies and all kinds of good stuff. If not, then you don't get to eat or drink anything, and you just gotta let your mouth suffer for the rest of the day. So yeah.
Let's just jump in because these are sour watermelon slices.
They're not sour.
This is my second time eating these.
That recorded for
The first video did not record. It tastes like ass.
I like it.
That's what the package looks like.
I like this. Do you like it? Yeah. Is it sour?
I don't know that.
It's kind of. Not sour.
This is my little guy. This is Keegan. You guys should know he's my autistic buddy. And we got Lay. Lay, say hi.
Hi. Okay, I'm good.
That is a sour punch straw. Fucking gross.
Oh, this is hard.
Suck the sour off.
I did.
All of it.
Ah.
Mommy, you already have one.
There you have it.
Mommy, you already have one.
Mm-hmm.
That's good.
It's already hurt my damn teeth.
Okay, next. These lollipops. We only got 2. Here.
Wait, what? Really?
We got more, but it's just for okay. Are these supposed to be sour?
I said it's sour.
Mine's not sour.
Mine's not either. These are live.
These aren't sour.
They're not sour. I'm not finishing that. We got these.
I can't eat them.
Well, wait for us to eat these.
I gotta take medicine.
These are sour. At least warheads ain't sour. My taste
What
buds
about
sour.
yours taste?
Okay, moving on to the balls.
Oh gosh.
Now these are not sour. The warheads yet. These are. We bought the warheads. You want one, Keegan?
Yeah. I only like the.
These aren't sour either.
Wait, what?
Okay, maybe.
Oh.
They trick you. It's reverse of a warhead. And it's not like overbearingly sour. It's just a little kick.
This ain't even sour.
There's the kick.
It tastes like after whenever you lick all the sour stuff off.
Mom.
There's sour powder in the middle of that. I hurt my tooth.
Okay.
I hurt my tooth, guys. It hurts really bad.
I think sour stuff now.
You ready? Oh, we have to get Keegan one.
You already ate one. Oh, warhead.
Oh god.
Just lick the package, buddy.
Okay. I won't be.
Then I throw this on my
Now to the warheads.
This is the part I'm dreading.
There you go.
I'm gonna first lick the package. Ah. I'm going to lick the package.
Puck balls. It don't go away.
Oh my god. No, that gone. I guess I know.
Holy hell. The fuck is that? Extreme sour? Like 10 times the fucking sour?
It's burning my mouth.
They poured that, just poured Molic powder on it, Molic acid. It's gross. I'm gagging. It's still sour. I'm choking on my own spit.
Mom, I spit mine.
Does it ever get sweet?
Mine got sweet.
Ugh.
Alright, mine didn't.
I made it through. Mine got sweet.
I made it through.
I hate mine's all malic acid.
Mine got sweet. If you want this, you have to eat it all.
I ate mine. My tongue's still burning.
Okay, that's better.
With
I was
sour.
dying. And then
Mine just burned with sour. Oh
That
my
was
God.
terrible.
mine's over with now.
Mine's burning with sour.
It's my first time I've ever been able to eat the whole sour head.
The sour is gone, so I'm spitting it out.
My
Mine's-
sour's gone. Ugh, I keep tasting that thing.
Okay. I'm not
I'm buying it.
just trying to bite it. Because there's sour stuff in the middle of those, if you didn't know.
There is.
Mm-hmm. There's a powder in those. I'm moving this all the way.
You bite it, sour will pop out.
Oh,
I can't wait to rewatch this video.
Oh. So now we get prizes. These are called Stroop waffles. I think I'm saying it right.
I'm trying to bite you this, but I can't.
Where'd that paper go? I will put the link to these in the description box below.
If we can.
They're called Stroop waffles. They're caramel. And what you're supposed to do with these is you take them and sit them on top of a cup of hot chocolate or coffee and let them get super soft. Because, like I said, they're caramel. And it's a waffle.
I passed mine, so.
Here, buddy.
No, I don't want that.
Just take a small bite.
No, then I'm gonna get a chocolate. I'm gonna get one of those chocolate chip stuff.
There's no powder in this. Okay. I bit mine in half, so
Hold on, wait for mommy again. We need the third one already.
I like it for a cookie. Okay. Hey, where'd that go?
Magic.
They have cinnamon.
Oh, I got
Do you taste the cinnamon? They're vanilla caramel with cinnamon. I like them. I think they're delicious.
I like these.
Let's try these ones.
These I feel like we've had at school.
Hey, you want
This is called a sponge. Is that what it's called?
1 minute, one more?
Correct us if we're saying it wrong. I think it's called a sponge. It looks like this. It's coconut, marshmallow, and some kind of strawberry jelly on a cookie.
Mom.
They're from Mexico.
Mom, can I have one?
I'm scared. Yeah, you can have one. The cookie's soft. Look at this. Is it good? Is it nasty?
Well, my jelly came off. It's not bad. It tastes like a marshmallow.
Mom.
Okay, enough. I'm over here doing what?
The pink one.
It's supposed to be
Don't bite the pink.
artificial strawberry. Look at this.
Nope. The pink is sour.
The top of my mouth is burning.
Get a cookie.
Okay. On to
The next one.
our famous M&M cookies.
I only have blue ones.
They're good. My mouth hurts from a freaking warhead.
I'm surprised I got through. That's the first time I've ever got through a warhead.
The roof of my mouth is like. So, on that note, like, share, comment, subscribe.
Oh yeah, I also have this.
Smash the bell.
You want one of these?
What flavor did you get? Cherry.
The other one's in a truck. I bought like 5 of these.
My mouth hurts.
I was waiting for it to hit 10 minutes.
Oh, what was I saying? Like, share, comment, subscribe, smash that bell to get notifications when we post videos. You please give us a big freaking thumbs up because I went out of my way to do something sour and I don't like sour. Have a good night, y'all.